don't pay me my money, two things. One must happen today. Pay me my money. Calm down. Yeah? This is a public place. Calm down. That is not my business. Whether it's a public place or it's not a public place, me, I don't want to know. The only thing I want you to do now is pay me my money. Because you know it's that money I'm using to train my brothers. Pay me my money now. Pay me my money. Pay me my money, oh. I go show you as I dey behave, oh. I go show you my color now, oh. If you don't pay me this money today, hey, God. God. Hey, if you don't pay me this money, this minute, what I go do here? All this company, they will come out for us. For 3 months now. Please give me my money, let me get out of here. Wilfred, pay me my money. Pay me my money now. What is this rubbish? You have been running me since you don't want to pay me my money. You don't want to, you don't want to pay me. Don't tell me the sort of you two they pretend. Pay me my money.
Elizabeth, have you gone out of your mind? Why did you become this disrespectful?
Auntie Silva, it's because of you. I'm not disrespectful. But do you know for good almost 3 months now, this man has refused to pay me. If I die, she will say come tomorrow. If I die, I pay my money, she will say next week. What kind of rubbish is this now? Tell this woman to pay me my money now. Pay me my money, oh.
Elizabeth, calm down. Calm down. This is not enough reason to disrespect her. Okay, how much are we talking about here?
It's 30,000 naira.
Only. Okay. No, it's okay. Don't worry. I'll pay you. But please don't embarrass your madam like this next time. Yeah, I'll pay. Come.
Hey! Just time to go today and say, see, they pay me this money. It's not there. It's not. I will pay your blood. Black woman.
Onye kwenki efue, okonya walelo kamalo, bumbo, bumbo. Uno plan welo, say we should follow amo.
Sylvia, how could you give what you don't have?
I don't understand.
You and I knew that the money you gave to Winifred was stolen from your husband. Can't you be reasonable for once?
Do you know that whatever belongs to my husband also belongs to me? So I didn't steal his money. It's our money.
That woman you stole your husband's money to save. Don't steal from her husband. She does not steal from her husband. All she does is defend her husband, respect her all the time.
Mama, I am not in the mood for this discussion now.
Oh, good afternoon. Auntie Silvia, well done.
Welcome. How far?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm alright though. I used to see you with different people. But who is this one with you now? I've been seeing him with you for some time now.
Auntie Silvia, you mean you don't know Nze, the youngest native doctor?
Youngest native doctor?
Yes.
I don't know him, oh. Does he live around here?
He lived directly opposite Mama Glory's compound. Yes.
So Chidi, you're not moving around with native doctors. It was very mad.
You know my nature. I don't discriminate. You know me.
Okay. So bad there.
Let me wash.
Okay, so you just came to greet me?
Yes, so.
Nothing else?
Yes.
Is it mad? And so, Sylvia, Mama Biko. Kennedy, my son, Nnambiko, I beg you, tolerate your wife and love her beyond her mistakes. No marriage without challenges. But your ability to overcome, that is what makes you stronger. Biko, no.
Mama, I'm a man of love and peace. I love and appreciate my wife so much. Just that anyways, let me not go into that. God will see us through.
Amen. Sylvia, please. please. Obey your husband. Oh, yes, so that peace will reign. Oh, so what, my dear? Let me go inside and have my things. Like I told you, I'll be leaving tomorrow morning.
Must stay some more.
I will
Stay
come
some
back.
more.
I will come back, eh? You know?
Oh, right.
Sylvia, Ma, you meet me later, eh? Okay.
Why did you bring me out here?
My brother, I'm beginning to get scared of Rose staying here.
Why?
What if something happens to her? We don't know her village, we don't know her family, or anything that can easily identify her. I'm scared.
You are right, but I don't know what else to do, since she's not saying anything.
I know what to do.
Hey, you look great.
Thank you.
Turn around.
Oh! No, Sylvia, I don't want to follow.
You won't fall.
Where are you going to? You know Michael traveled, and I'm so bored. So I just want to spend the night at my sister's place.
Yeah. What about Daisy?
I'll pick her up from school. We're going there together.
Okay. No problem. Take care of yourself, eh?
Thank you. Alright, see you later.
Alright. Kenny. Past 12.
see you anywhere close to my house again, I will kill you. Can you imagine? This animal, this useless idiot that calls herself my wife, had the guts to lock me outside.
You're not idiot!
See you anywhere close to my house again, I will kill you.
Where? Who wants to stay in your house?
Marriage for work! Marriage for work!
I want!
Marriage for work!
What is this? You know what I mentioned? You know! Sylvia!
Again, I will kill you. Marriage for
I know
work!
what you're holding in your
Marriage for work!
Yes, please! Sylvia! Oh, you're not happy with me! Eh? Why would you lock your husband outside? What if something has happened to him? Sylvia, you went too far. You went too far! What is it? What reasonable husband? What reasonable husband comes home by 1 a.m.? 1 a.m. in the night? Agini? Am I the only married woman? It's okay. Eh? Because I don't know where you want to go to. Fighting him back. Keep my bag before let me call my mother. Keep my bag first. Mama Kennedy threw my things out of his house. How? Mama, don't. I said, even here with Baba. Kennedy threw my bags out of the house. That means he has sent you packing. Mama, I'm coming back to the village right now. So whose house? My father's house. No, whenever I was on Maga, my father's house. But you were proving stubborn. Eh? You were even using adage on me. Your mother. Sylvia, please, my daughter. There is no room for you in this house. Mama, where do you want me to go from here? That question should go to Winifred. I have lived in my husband's house for over 35 years. I have never thought of going down to my father's house. Your elder sisters are happily married. But you are the one who keeps complaining all the time, whereas you are the one that God blessed with a good and caring husband. Sylvia, don't even think of it. Don't think of coming back to my house. I will not only chase you away, I will make sure I disgrace you before the entire community. Rubbish.
As you make your bed, so you lie on top of. If you so kata, you go rip jaga.
Hey! What manner of mother do I have? I don't understand the kind of mother I have. I don't understand. What is it? Can I just stay in your house till your husband returns so that you can take me to Kennedy and beg him?
Sylvia, this one is difficult though. I don't even know what to say to you now. Eh? See, if your husband throws you out of the house and I take you in without my husband's permission, he won't be happy with me. Kennedy is his younger brother. Eh? Remember the time that you and your husband threw Rose out of the house? My husband did not take her in. If he can say no to his own blood sister, he can as well say no to you. Understand with me. I will advise you keep your things inside the shop and stay there for now.
Don't worry, it's okay. I'll be fine here. It's okay, don't worry.
Should I help you out?
Wilfred, don't worry. I'll be fine. I'm okay. I'm very much okay. Oh, thank you.
I'm hungry. Let me go and eat. Should I bring food for you?
Wilfred, I'm okay. Just...
Ewo, obuki sieme, odima. Ewe, oyimo kidio, odima. Ewo, obuki sieme, odima. Ewe, oyimo kidio, odima. Ifonye kwetelu, ifonye kutelu, ifonye metelo fuba. Ifonye kwetelu, ifonye kutelu, ifonye metelo fuba. Ifonye kwetelu, ifonye kutelu, ifonye metelo fuba.
where are you both heading to?
We are just taking a stroll. And if you're not too tired, you can drop the water in the house and meet us up.
As you can see, I'm very, very tired.
Oh,
You
I
both
can't
should
say.
go and enjoy yourself, okay?
Please cook something for us.
I will. Don't worry, eh?
Were you able to find any trace?
Yes. I found this in her bag and her brother's numbers are there. So we have to look for a way to call them in a call center.
Only you can make this call in a minute.
How?
But it's true. Once you ask Joe Chemist for his phone to make call, he won't hesitate.
You know I don't like that guy. Please stop calling his name. We have to look for a way to raise money and call her family. She really needs help. And we are the only ones that can help her. Please. Let's look for a way. Biko gene. Biko Joe Chemist again.
My love gonna go.
Biaga
Everybody go.
Yes, who are you?
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. I said, who are you and why are you here?
I am Zubby. I live 2 streets away from you. Please, I need your help. My house is on fire.
I don't work in fire service. I am only a native doctor. Hey! Hey!
My marriage is crumbling. My husband beats me every now and then. See, I can hardly talk to my husband for an hour without going into a fight. Just yesterday, my husband beat me up, threw me out of the house. But through the help of his elder brother, he accepted me back.
Oh, you mean your husband sent you packing and accepted you back the same yesterday?
That is to understand what I'm talking about.
That man must be a nice person. Yes.
Dibia, you don't know my husband. He is a terrible man. Please, I need you to give me a charm that I'll use in controlling him. At least for there to be peace in my home.
Next time, you don't call me Dibia. My name is Nze.
I am sorry.
Women. If any man is not killed by a woman, he will live long. Yes. Woman, you have to go back home and make up your mind if you want this charm. Then if you are sure, come back tomorrow. I will give it to you.
I am very sure. I want it. Please.
Woman, I said go back home and come back tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll be back tomorrow morning. I'll have to leave now.
You can go.
Thank you.
Hi.
Thank you.
Women. My dear, this journey you are about to embark on, there is no going back until you achieve peace in your family. When you get back home, look for smaller containers and distribute this portion in every corner of your house. Under your bed, in the kitchen, under your chairs, under your pillow. Do you know why? Because you don't know when the quarrel will start. And when the argument starts, quickly put some into your mouth. Do not swallow or pour it out until the argument is over. Remember, do not swallow it or pour it out until the argument is over. Else you will die. Now take. Take.
Thank you, wife.
And not only that, make sure you cook with this portion for your husband to eat. And the only way for you to achieve that is by petting your husband to avoid suspicion. You will have to avoid friends and family for now. Yes.
I will.
This portion I gave to you is no magic, but a charm. If you follow my instruction properly, it might take months or even a year, but it will surely work out. Yes.
Thank you very much. I will do anything to restore peace in my marriage.
Yes. I only collect money when the charm works. But remember, do not forget to come back with the charm when there's peace in your family.
Okay.
Else, it will cause a lot of damage in your home. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I'll go in my room.
Remember what I told you. Do not swallow it. Do not swallow it.
What are you doing here?
You know, I've not seen you since the day that my wicked brother-in-law Kennedy tried to...
How dare you? How dare you call my husband wicked?
When you yourself, you're a Jezebel.
Are you okay? Why are you defending a man that beat you mercilessly and threw you out of the house?
When my mother told me you were my problem, I never believed her until you turned your back against me when I needed you the most. Wilfred, let me spell it out to you. You are a homebreaker.
Sylvia, are you out of your mind? What has Kennedy done to you?
Wilfred, leave my house. Leave my house, you fool! Just leave my house this minute. Wilfred, I said leave my house! See, Wilfred, you're a deceiver! Leave my house! Don't allow me push you. Get out! Homebreaker! Go, 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 go! I wonder what you even came here to do, if not gossip.
Onye kwenki efue, okwonya walelo kabalo, bombo, bombo. Who no plan well, say which you follow amo. As you make your bed, na so you lie on top am. If you so kata kata.
Daisy! Daisy, come, let's go! Where are you going?
I'm going with you now.
Why? Hey, hold on. This is a daughter-father thing, so I don't really need you here, okay? Thank you.
Michael, what's the meaning of that?
It means you're not going with me. I don't need you.
Come on, Michael, don't be ridiculous.
Excuse me, I said you're not going with me.
Open this door. Why won't I go with you?
Because I simply explained it that it's a father-daughter thing.
Are we not family? Open this door for me, please. Open the door. Okay. Bye. Hey, Daisy, have fun. Don't worry about the gate. I will close it, Hey. Oh. Hey, Sylvia. I just thought my daughter was going to keep into my shoe and my bag. You know. Yes. But the father said no. That I should just help them and close the gate. I thought it would enter her. But it's not her size.
You are beautiful.
I know. Let me just go back and drop it.
Alright, take care.
Okuonya galilo kabalo. Onye kwenki efue. Okuonya galilo kabalo. Bombo, bombo. Who no plan well, oh, say which you follow amo. As you make your bed, oh, now so you lie on top am. If you sow kata kata, you go reap jaga jaga. If you sow tomato, you go chop tomato. Aye. Ewo ewo, obuki sieme. Odimma. Ewe, oyimo kidio. Odimma. Ewo, obuki sieme. Odimma.
What kind of life is this? Eh? When will I stop pretending to be happy while I die in silence? My husband doesn't understand me. He is so self-centered. Who do I confide in? Who will understand my predicament? I think I should talk to Kennedy about this. No. Wilfred, you are wrong. You are so wrong about this decision. Kennedy holds me in high esteem. And if I ever talk to him about it, then all my pride and ego is gone. Oh, Chimo, I'll continue to endure him.
What sort of nonsense is this? Huh? Everywhere is messed up. Sylvia! Oh, you are here. Sylvia, you are here. Why are you lazy and annoying? What sort of wife are you? No, tell me, what sort of wife are you? Why are you lazy and annoying at the same time? You can't wash, you can't clean, to crown it all, you can't even cook. Marrying you is the biggest mistake I made in life. I swear, marrying you is the biggest mistake I made in life. Can't you talk? I'm talking to you, can't you talk? Can't you talk? What has come over you? Sweep, no. Wash plates, no. You can't even wash my clothes. And you call yourself a housewife. Eh? Okay. I know what to do.
As early as 4 a.m. in the morning to make your food, knowing full well that you're busy these days.
Sorry, I'm running late, I can't eat.
But I have to flask it. Please. Let me try getting the hot place.
Alright,
No, don't worry.
Hello? Ken, good evening. How is work going? Yes, I was wondering if you'd like to take fish pepper soup for dinner. Okay, yam and egg sauce. Don't you think it's too heavy for the night? Okay, I'll do just that. Alright. Come back early so that it doesn't get cold. Okay. Bye.
Michael, this is your medicine. If you like, you take it. If you like, you leave it.
Hey, Mom. Is this how you take care of your sick husband?
What do you want me to do? I should come and widen your mouth open. Take the medicine, pour inside, then pour water. Would that make you happy?
But I'm your wife now.
Oh, now you know I'm your wife. Go and call your daughter Daisy. Let her come and assist you. You don't want it to be daughter and father time today. Make it daughter and father time. It's very good. That's what you always do. Help yourself.
You know that Daisy is still a kid.
What in God's name is this? How can I be married yet never had a moment of peace in my marriage? Yes, marriage has its ups and downs, but not as worse as mine. I'm so trapped in this marriage and I can't even think of divorce because that wouldn't portray a good example to my younger brother. What do I do?
Oyi na tumo, isi na wamo, aradi rozimu kodimbo, ifa neme ne utemo, amarozimi fengeme, anyatala kukobo tweza nyisi achae. Biko zanumo abakutana mazue. Without you, I am losing it all. Without you, I am losing my mind. Without you, I am losing it all. Where are you? Where are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
How's your health, bro? Hope you're getting strong.
Brother, I thank God. I'm better today.
I can see your wife is really taking good care of you.
Well, you can say that again. She's doing her best.
Ken, you look so tired, so you just have to come inside, freshen up, eat. Then you can come back and have all the time with your brother. Right, Michael?
Oh, my wife is right.
Excuse me, I'll be right back.
Alright.
Ifa neme ne utemo, amarozimi fengeme, anyatala kukobo tweza nyisi achae. Biko zanumo.
Are you sick? Eh? What sort of nonsense is this? How could you? You have the guts to enroll a few months old baby into daycare without my consent. Are you serious? Who does that as a wife? Now tell me, how did you even get the money you used in registering her in daycare? How? Because I know you have no source of income. I'm talking to you, are you deaf? Can't you talk? You enrolled our baby into daycare without my consent. Why do we even need daycare? You have hands, you have legs. Why? Why daycare? Are you that lazy? And I'm talking to you, you're not talking. Can't you talk? Okay, you can't talk anymore. You can't talk anymore. Alright. see about that. I know what to do.
Nze has killed me. This is just too much. How can my husband scold me all day long and I won't be able to express myself just because I have some portion in my mouth? This is a serious task and I can't go back on it now, else I will die. Going back is not even an option. But from the way things are going, I haven't seen changes in my husband. He still scolds me like always. The only difference is that he hasn't hit me lately. Oh my God. Do I go back to Nze? He warned me. I know what to do. Endurance is the answer because Nze told me it might take months or even a year. It's only 3 months now, so let me still exercise some patience.
I don't understand. What is happening? Why this sudden change in my wife? I can't believe I was talking to Sylvia. Instead of her to shout back on me or even fight me, she kept quiet. I have conscience. I can't stand and watch Sylvia groan and mourn in pain anymore. The love I have for my wife is still strong. We need peace to move on. We need love to enjoy this marriage. We need to rekindle the light of our love.
Wow, the charm is working.
Listen, there is no marriage without ups and downs. True love is conquers it. Please, let's rekindle the light.
Why are you here? Sylvia, I came to apologize to you. If there's anything that I've done wrong, please forgive me. I'm sorry. I hold no grudges against you. In fact, your attitude the last time led me to finding the solution to my marital problem. So I should be the one thanking you. Sorry,
saying that we can still be friends.
Why not? Yes, we can.
Thank you.
Oh, my phone. Sorry, 1 minute. Hello, baby. Yes. That's my husband. No, I don't want that. Well, you know I love you more. I love you more, you know it. Okay. You okay now, right? Alright, see you. Love you too, bye. That was my husband. I know. My dear. Okay. Take care of yourself while I continue on.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Hey, you are welcome. Get a seat and sit down. Come and join me.
Thank you very much. I just ate.
How can you meet Nze eating without joining him? Or are we enemies?
No. How can we be enemies?
And then eat.
Nze, you are the God I am seeing now. So, I don't have any reason not to eat in your house. Give me a water.
Okay.
This charm really worked wonders in my marriage. You need to see how cozy my relationship with my husband is now. So I decided to return the remaining portion like you instructed.
All right. No. Drink from the gallon.
This?
Yes.
You told me that if I swallow this portion, it will kill me.
That is the last thing you will do for the peace in your home to remain permanent. Okay? Now, drink from it.
Are you sure about this?
Go ahead and drink it.
Are you sure I will not die?
Listen to me. You were the cause of the problem in your marriage.
Nze, it was my husband. It's just that he has changed now.
The problem you had was your tongue and your attitude towards your husband. What I gave you is no charm. It is ordinary water. Yes. Each time you had it in your mouth, it makes you not to talk back at your husband and aggravate his anger, which brought peace and understanding in your home.
My mother complained bitterly about this. But I thought I was doing the right thing. Little wonder so many homes are broken. Nze, thank you for restoring peace in my marriage. Please manage this.
Hey, do I deserve all this for ordinary water?
You deserve more than this.
All right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I have to leave now. I have not prepared dinner for my husband.
All right, you can go. Hey. Oh.
Michael, you're bigger than this. You're bigger than this. Calm down. Please, I'm begging you. Calm down.
You don't understand. You don't understand what I've been going through in this house. You don't understand what I've been enduring in this house. You don't understand what I've been stomaching in this house. All I'm doing is just to make sure I have a happy family. Just because I know you look up to me, I don't want you to see me like I'm having issues with my family and you will start having issues with your own too. I don't want to set bad example. You see, you know that divorce is not in our family. It's not in our lineage. And I don't want to be the first person to start it. I would have started this. Wait, calm down.
Hi. You said it all. Divorce is not in our lineage.
This woman is full of trouble. Again, every day there is one problem or the other.
Michael, no one is close to perfection. Okay? With tolerance and patience, you can iron it out. Please calm down. I'm begging you. Please. Okay?
Hi.
Hey! Sylvia, you have no idea. You have no idea what I have been going through in this marriage. If I tell you, will you believe that I have been living a life of pretense in this marriage? Will you believe it? If I tell you that I cannot even remember the last time Michael bought me a pan. I am telling you, top off the clothes, the shoes, the bag, the hair that I lied to you about. You will not believe me.
All these things can still be corrected, eh? Calm down.
How? How? Michael is heartless! He's heartless!
Let me ask you something. Was Michael not trans when you were dating?
No! No! He was a loving and good boyfriend though! He changed me and after he married me!
Fred, something also changed about you without you knowing it. You can still work these things out.
How will I work it out? How will I work it out? Michael will not change. How will I do that?
Michael will change. You only need to know unconditionally. Try to understand his shortcomings. You do have yours too. Listen, there are also smiling people that are also in us. You're not Michael's sister. You didn't grow the same place with him. So you should know that you people are not meant to understand everything about yourselves. Please.
You will not walk with Michael. You will not walk. You will not walk with Michael.
Wilfred, just try this out and think me later. Just give it a try, eh? It's okay.
Oyi na-atụ m, isi na-awa m, arụ adịrọzi m ka ọ dị mbụ. Ife a na-eme na-ewute m, amarọzi m ife m ga-eme. Anya tala akwụkwọ bụ otu eze anyị si acha. Biko zanụ m agbakụta na mazụ. Without you, I am losing it all. Without you, I am losing my mind. Without you, I am losing it all.
Any luck?
Alice,
I'm trying. The Lord is my strength.
Stop crying. We love you. Make sure nothing happens to you.
Thank you very much. God will bless the both of you for me.
Amen.
I'm sorry, you'll be fine.
God, I have carried this burden for such a long time, and it's beginning to haunt me. I lied against Rose, and everyone stood by me, and she left out of heartbreak. Today, nobody knows her whereabouts. Who knows where she could be? This issue is really giving me sleepless nights, and I can't conceal it anymore. Should I talk to my husband about this? Kennedy loves Rose so much that if he finds out about this, he might throw me out of the house. I have achieved peace and love in this family, but it can't be complete without Rose's forgiveness. What do I do now? I know what to do.
So that was exactly what happened.
Women. Huh? But when last did you see her?
I said it's over 2 years now. Nobody has heard from her or even seen her.
Hi. You have to apologize to her.
I don't even know where to find her.
Then confess to her family who stood by you against her.
No, can't do that. My husband will send me back to my father's house. See, Nze, you don't know how much they love their sister. She's their only sister.
Then let her family know the truth. Only the truth will set you free.
Because I have a confession to make.
Confession?
Yes. I hope you all forgive me.
Sylvia, what is it? Let it not worry. What is it? What about the Rose? What's scaring us? What is it?
Rose is innocent.
That happened in this family. I became jealous seeing Rose run errands for Kennedy and then say, okay.
you touch me?
Please beat me up.
Rose. Where?
I'm very sorry for everything.
Don't do this.
Please, I'm very sorry. I was very foolish. I was very stupid. Because of my actions, I lost everything. My education, I almost lost my life. I brought so much shame and disgrace to this family. Please forgive me.
It's okay. It's all right.
Auntie Sylvia, please, I'm very sorry. It's okay. But I can't.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's only prayer. I'm so sorry. No, Rose. If there's anyone to apologize, it's me. I am because of everything. I am really, really sorry. Please. It's out of jealousy that I did everything that I did. My husband. If there's anybody to be given any kind of punishment, it's me. Let all the punishments be heaped on me, please.
No. Nobody is to be punished here, okay? We are one happy family. And so shall we. Please, let's go to my house and sit down and discuss.
Oyi na tumo, isi na wamo, aradi rozimu kodimbo, ifa neme ne utemo, amarozimi fengeme, anyatala pukobo tweza nyisi achaye, biko zanumo abakutana mazure. Without you, I am losing it all. Without you, I am losing my mind. Without you, I